Yes, you read the thumbnail right. It is possible that Pakistan is indirectly supporting Israel, and the funny part is they might not even know it yet. But how can Pakistan, a country that does not even recognize Israel, support it? Well, here's what's happening. If you don't know about Pakistan's current politics, let me give you a brief. Today, whoever controls power in Pakistan, whether it's the military or the puppet prime minister installed by the military, is under heavy influence from the USA. The previous prime minister, Imran Khan, who was anti-US, is currently in jail. Whenever his party tries to do anything, from a rally to a speech, the Pakistani military disrupts it by doing internet shutdowns. So by now, you know that Pakistan is currently under the influence of the USA. This means that the recent escalations by Pakistan near the Iran border are possibly done under the influence of the USA. Yes, the USA could be very much behind Pakistan's proactive airstrikes in Iran. We know that since the start of the Israel-Gaza war, the Houthis in Yemen have been activated and continuously targeting vessels linked to Israel and the US. It's a well-known fact that these Houthis are funded by Iran, so Iran is indirectly helping Gaza by funding the Houthis. Now, guess what? After Pakistan's recent escalations in the western border, Iran's focus would shift from backing the Houthis to engaging with Pakistan. And guess who will be the direct beneficiary from this? Yes, the USA and Israel. So, Pakistan is unknowingly helping the USA and, in fact, Israel indirectly. What the Muslim world will think of this and how they will react remains to be seen. Share your thoughts in the comments section and don't forget to subscribe the channel.